So
There's
Derek shared a link to building a whole CPU from just transistors. Now I gotta watch this.
you
Thanks,
gotta be
Derek,
kidding
for
me.
giving me
Really?
homework. I'll
Where's it
share
at?
it. It's in Discord. I'm gonna share it in the show notes.
I mean, it's no running PHP on mobile devices, but still pretty damn cool. Ben Eater. That doesn't sound like a real name either. Ben Eater.
Yeah. I built a programmable 8-bit computer from scratch on breadboards using only simple logic gates.
I mean, ones and zeros, right? Open, close.
It's
Yeah.
ones and zeros, but that's a lot of logic gates to create an 8-bit computer.
Yeah, that
But
would
that's
be a
basic.
lot of
But I
work.
think that's exactly what they did in Minecraft, right? It was a simple 8-bit computer, simple.